If you're thinking about paying an outrageous price to get this keyboard sound, then I recommend you save some money and go with the AULA F99 Pro. It's a 99 key mechanical keyboard with a cool backlight effect, gasket structure. It supports a Type-C wired connection, 2.4 GHz wireless with the built-in dongle, or Bluetooth mode. It comes with built-in pluggable mechanical switches that sound like this. Comes with a 4000 mAh lithium rechargeable battery, or up to 400 hours of life with no LED backlight. Now this keyboard feels fantastic, weighing in at 1,183 grams. It has dual height adjusting feet and a lot of aesthetically pleasing RGB lighting mode. Now I've been using this for 2 full weeks to test it out and I absolutely love it. So I'll leave you with the ASMR sound, but you know where to go to get it.